Hi! Day 24, 23. Vlogmas 23. Day 23. Vlogmas day 23. And I had a very long day today. Now it's 7:02 in the evening. I had a very long day. Just want to share with you guys that one of my clients gave me a Christmas present. Let's open it. And yeah, I was really tired today. Before we open, I'll just say I was really tired today. When I reached home, my head was like, I feel there's something ticking on my head. So I was like, oh no. And I need to take a nap because maybe it was just, I was so exhausted really. So I took a nap. So now I just woke up. I feel better. So now let's open the present. And this one is really a something different. Oh, what is this? Dinkies. Huh? What is this? It's I cannot. Oh, I must. Luxury caviar anti-wrinkle. I must. And there's one more box. Dr. Wu Age Versal Intensive Rejuvenate Serum formulated with advanced steep treat. I don't know how to. What is this? Rejuvenate serum. Oh, serum for face. It's CD. Yeah, this is definitely for face. Okay, I have this present. Thank you so much. That's all.